In this video, we shall now solve the daily challenge asked in skillrack. So the question is longest prefix divisible by k. The program must accept two integers n and k as the input. The program must print the longest prefix in n which is divisible by k. If there is no such prefix, then we have to print -1 as the output. So let us try to understand the sample input 1. So this is the value of n and this is the value of k, and our expected output is 1078. Let us see how we are getting this number 1078. So let us form all the prefixes of the integer n. So this is the value of integer n and the prefix of the integer n. All possible prefixes are 1, 10, 107. It goes as such. So we are just taking the first digit alone first, then the first two, then 3, 4, then we are going like that till the end. To find the longest prefix, traveling from the last would be a easier task. For example, first we have to check whether this number is divisible by k, or else we are just moving to the previous number, and whenever we encounter the first prefix that is divisible by k, that is our expected output. So let us see how to implement this using C program. So this is the program I have written. I have declared the two variables n and k and got them as the input. And here I am using a while loop to form all the prefixes of the integer n. And inside the while loop there is a if condition which checks whether the value of n at the particular case is divisible by k or not. For example, initially the value of n would be 107812. When it goes into the while loop, we know that it is not divisible by k. So we know that it is not divisible by k. Then we are forming the next prefix, that is 10781. In order to form this, we can just divide this number by 10. So that's what we are doing here. N by is equal to 10, which is same as n is equal to n divided by 10. So now the value of n would be 10781, and again it would be checking whether it is divisible by k. So it doesn't divide, so we are just again dividing this number by 10. Now the prefix would be 1078. So now it goes into this if condition, as the condition satisfies that n is divided by k. So we are just printing the number and using this condition exit 0, which terminates the whole program itself. In case if there is no prefix in the integer n, after iterating the while loop till the n is equal to 0, nothing would have been printed, and at the end we are just printing -1, as we were asked in the question that if there is no prefix is divisible by k, we have to print -1 as the output. So this is the logic behind today's daily challenge. Let us give the sample inputs and check whether this program works or not. So we can see that we are getting the integer 1078 as the output. Let us now give the sample input 2. So here we can see that we are getting -1 as the output. Thank you for watching.